guys, how are you? I'm back, Mr. Filer. We're going to be doing assignment 3B, getting you ready for it. Today's assignment has a big name, but not too hard. It's called Add and Subtract Polynomials. So adding polynomials is no big deal. Look at this. Look at this green plus sign. That's how I know it's right between the two parentheses. By the way, just to let you know, this is number 3 from the homework, problem number 3. I know that in this case I'm adding the polynomials because there's a plus sign between the two parentheses. When you add polynomials, it's no big deal because the first step is so simple. You just drop everything down and you leave off the parentheses. I'm just basically taking everything right as I see it, and the parentheses melt away. It's beautiful. Adding polynomials is not tough. Now, I'm going to add like terms. This family is n to the 3. That's their name. There's 2 of them. Here, there's 5 of them. They're both the same family. They're both the n to the 3 family. There's 2 of them, and then there's 5 more. Go 2 plus 5 in your calculator. You'll get 7. Their last name will not change. Their last name won't change. It's n to the 3. It's still n to the 3. We're going to add the numbers, the 4 and the 2. And that's it. And done. We combined like terms. We combined n to the 3's, and we combined the 2 numbers. That's done. That is done. We just added those polynomials. Look at that. That's done. Now subtracting is a teeny bit harder, but not much. Not much. Not much. Let's do a problem from the homework. Let's do number 5. 3a squared plus 1. 3a squared plus 1. But this time, we're going to be subtracting them. This time, there's a minus between the 2 parentheses. We are subtracting these polynomials. And then the other one is 4 plus 2a squared. Okay. So there's our problem. I'll give you a second to write it down. Here we're subtracting the polynomials. Again, how do you know that, Mr. Filer? Because there's a minus sign right here. That means I'm going to be subtracting. Here's the problem. I don't want to subtract. And here's the good news. I don't need to. I'm going to change this minus to plus. You say, but how can you do that? Watch. This minus changes to a plus. Now, everything behind the minus sign comes straight down. Look at this. The 3a squared comes down and the plus 1 comes down. But now, in order to pay for this change, because I changed it from minus and I made it into plus, in order to pay for that, everything in the parentheses that comes to the right of the minus sign. So this animal and this animal both have to change their signs. In this case, they are both positive. Look at this. Positive 4, look at that. Negative 4 now. Positive 2a squared, look at this. Negative 2a squared. They both changed their signs. If they were both negative, I would have made them both positive. But they were both positive, so I made them both negative. Now I'm going to combine like terms. Go in your calculator. These are the a squared family. We have more a squared family. Go 3, hit your plus sign. 2, hit the negative because it's a negative 2a squared. 3 plus 2 negative is equal to 1. So I have 1a squared. Now these are combined. We can cross them out. We've dealt with them. Now we've got 1 plus 4 negative. So 1, hit your plus sign, 4, and then hit your negative. And you'll get negative 3. And there you go. You're done. You've combined like terms. All right? We took care of the minus sign by making it plus. Everything to the right of the minus sign changed its sign. Okay? We'll do more of these in class. You'll get used to them. It'll be cool. Good job. We'll see you in class. If you need to play this one a couple times, do it. Just to kind of get your idea. But if you have questions, bring them to class and we'll go over it there. All right? Good job. See ya.